Be ready? Start. Friends, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to this meeting. We regret that this meeting, which was originally scheduled in November, has to be postponed for reasons beyond your control. The annual report depicting the salient features of our bank's performance and achievements together with audited statement of account for the year 1987 has been with you. Having completed 13 years of dedicated service to trade and industry, I envisage a bright and promising future of our bank. Our working capital increased from rupees 360 lakhs to 390 lakhs. Likewise, share capital has also increased. Advances to the weaker and middle class sections of the society and priority sector also kept a steady pace, though the year under review was plagued by many shortcomings. We marched forward unhindered and unmindful to this one of the major obstacles. Labor unrest was successfully settled towards the end of the year, wherein the management of our bank and the cooperative bank employees union reached an amicable settlement. This was the root cause of the deteriorating services, which in turn affected our deposits adversely. With this hurdle overcome, I now look forward to bright future for our bank. We are formulating various housing schemes for the benefit of staff and members. The detailed scheme will be sent for approval to the concerned authorities. We are also working on group insurance schemes for the benefit of the staff and, if possible, for the members also. Further, we propose to introduce various attractive deposit schemes like piggy deposit for school children with a view to make the public aware of the services rendered by our bank and to increase deposits in incentive publicity campaign has been started and will continue during the year. The banking industry has an exciting future ahead with the introduction of electronics. We at our bank are busy examining various proposals for computerization of banking operations. Initially, we propose to introduce computers for posting of current accounts, saving bank and cash credit account ledgers. This will greatly improve the services to our valued clients. Let us join hands together and work out ways and means of making our bank one of the finest in the cooperative movement. Finally, I thank you all for your confidence and support. Stop.